Hello and welcome to New This Week on artsloud.com, the sound of independence. Today on the show, I have an artist who can easily be tagged as one of the best female voices in the country. Her childlike energy and powerful voice has already won millions of hearts across the globe. After giving voices to all the heroines in more than 60 Bollywood movies, today on the show, she's all set to launch her latest single, Damadam Mast Kalandar, on artistloud.com. Please welcome the $1 million smile girl, the Avara Bhavre girl, Hema Sardesai. हेमा जी, आपका शो पे स्वागत है और मैं ये कहना चाहूंगा कि जितना बड़ा फैन मैं आपकी सिंगिंग का हूं, उससे बड़ा फैन मैं आपकी स्माइल का हूं।
Oh my God! Thank you so much.
आज इनफैक्ट स्पेशली हमने शो पे थोड़ी सी लाइटिंग कम रखी है क्योंकि आपके जो दांत हैं वो मोतियों जैसे चमक रहे हैं। I'm sure wherever you go in the world, across the globe, people would say आपकी स्माइल बहुत कमाल की है।
I think my smile is liked.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And are you like happy within, or God has just blessed you with a beautiful face and a smile?
I think whatever it may be, today I can say it's the love for my guru, Sri Ravi Shankar.
Wow.
That is probably showing.
Wow, amazing.
Yeah.
And tell me something, you've sung so many songs, you've sung for more than 60 Bollywood films,
Yes.
you've traveled all across the globe.
Yes.
You started singing at the age of very early, like 6, right?
No, I was discovered at 6.
What song were you singing? Do you remember?
Yeah, I remember.
What song was that?
तेरे कारण मेरे कारण तेरे कारण मेरे साजन is what I was singing.
मतलब आप 6 साल की उम्र में वो वाला गाना गा रही थी।
Yes.
क्या बात है? And who discovered you?
Actually, my teacher,
Yeah.
she was my music teacher in school, Mrs. Sequeira, late Mrs. Sequeira.
Yeah. God had a perfect destiny written for you.
Yes.
First, He gave you a beautiful smile. Then He blessed you with a beautiful voice.
You are really charming, I must say. Gunjan.
No, I'm being honest.
You are amazing.
I'm being honest. Then He blessed you with a beautiful voice, and then He gave you mentors to actually, help you out and discover who you were. Did you ever think that you would reach the zenith of success?
Honestly, you said it all.
Yeah.
It was Him. If we call God Him,
Yeah.
it was definitely Him. And I see Him as my guru today. But the amazing thing is that I think that beyond it all, it was Him writing everything. It was Him doing everything. So I say, my life is a fluke, yaar.
Yeah.
God did it.
Yeah.
So...
When everything was being written for you, as you also just mentioned, was there anybody at that point of time said, ये क्या कर रही हो यार? ये कोई लड़कियों का काम है, क्या गाने गाओगी? तुम पढ़ लो, कुछ लिख लो, कुछ और कर लो।
था. My mother came from a very conservative family.
Yeah.
So they wouldn't allow her to sing as a child.
Oh.
So she did face the flak when first thing that I sang publicly was for a Navratri in Goa.
Yeah.
For the Gujarati Samaj.
Wow.
And when I sang there, it was like, oh my God, you're making your daughter, perform in front of the audience and the public. Is that right? My mother just stood her ground. Parents stood their ground and said, she will go ahead with her life.
So were you like an obedient child? Okay, this is what I'm going to do.
No, it was the opposite.
It was the opposite.
I told you because we came from a family where they said, people were saying, why are you doing music for her? It was I who kept saying, I want to do this. I want to do this, I was also an artist, so I did commercial art in my life as well. So basically, just a fun-loving person. It's been difficult for my parents to really hold me down and get me to study and get me to really even do riyaz in my musical career. I did Visharad in Indian classical music. But it was tough for them to get me to really do something at one time, like sitting down, too naughty. I was just
मुझे लग रहा है क्योंकि आपकी आवाज में जितनी खुशी झलकती है उतनी ही शरारत झलकती है.
Yeah, I think it was a little too much of I want to do this and that and just enjoy and have fun and all the time.
Yeah? So were your parents sick and tired of the fact that, oh my God, this is a troubled child?
The only time they thought I was trouble, I think, was when I was kind of a rebel.
Yeah?
I had my own mind with everything. But I told them one thing. I said, whatever I do, you will be proud of me.
Wow.
That's for sure.
Wow.
Today they say yes.
Yeah. You've sung so many songs which were like super duper hit. But even today, people call you the Avara Bhavre girl. Yes. Do you take it as a credit that, the song became such a popular hit? or you're like, "Arey yaar, maine aur bhi kaam kiya yaar."
Nay, I love it.
Yeah.
I love it when I'm announced on stage as the Avara Bhavri girl.
Yeah.
Because see, behind the Avara Bhavri girl was a struggle.
Yeah.
A very clean, a very tall, a very dignified struggle.
Yeah.
Which I carry with me as my trophy today.
Yeah.
You know. Beyond the fact that I won, if you know, the Grand Prix.
Of course, in Germany.
Yeah, and
yes.
I had people, I was known in Goa since I was a child, but I had nobody in India that knew me.
Yeah.
It was my country, and here in Germany, I was signing autographs.
Yeah.
People were queuing to sign my autograph. And I was saying, but in India, nobody knows me.
That was in '89.
You know? Yes.
Yeah.
And then when we came back to India, that's when I decided, now my Indians also have to know me.
Yeah.
You know, I have to sing for them. I have
Right.
to, my very important thing is, Gunjan, is I want to entertain. I have no problems being called a person who entertains, because that's what I was made for, to make people happy, to make people smile, to make people joyous in their lives, bring lots of happiness in their lives.
Super, super.
And if I'm doing my job right, then I'm a good girl.
Wow. And just to put things straight here, you won the 16th International Pop Song Festival in Germany.
Representing India.
Yeah.
Competing with 20 countries.
Wow. And you won that contest.
Yes, I did.
Thousands of people at that competition. They loved your performance.
Yes, they did.
You know, emerged victorious. What did you think at that point of time? Is this the pinnacle, or is this just the beginning?
I'm so absolutely crazy about my country.
Yeah.
I'm a die-hard, will die for India kind of fan.
Yeah.
And for me, there was nobody from India there.
Yeah.
While they were clapping, while I was announced the darling of the audience also,
Wow.
because the audience was asked to choose their
Yeah.
darling. And even when I was announced that, I was saying, what about my India? When am I going to be their darling? You know, that was important for me. All the time, my India was important for me. It is today and always will be.
Yeah. So do you remember when you met Mr. A.R. Rahman for the first time?
Yeah.
How did that happen?
It was amazing.
Yeah.
Like I said, fluke hai yaar zindagi. So I was just sitting down and saying, okay, another go at my career, something else I have to do now, and this and that, blah, blah, blah. But here comes a call, you know, out of the blues, and says, you've been asked whether you're interested to come into Chennai to record a song for A.R. Rahman ji. I was like, no way. This is a big prank. One of my friends is really having a good time at my cost. But it was true.
Wow.
Yeah, and I did go there. He gave me the song one day prior to hear with the music, just the music. And the next day I went to sing the song. I actually was there with A.R. Rahman ji, and I loved every minute of it. I think I gave him everything that I had in my voice, and whatever he has given me. And at the end of it, when I asked him, sir, how was it? Because everybody was complimenting, but he was silent. He said it all. He said, God is great.
Wow.
He summed it all completely.
Beautiful. At that point of time, and it's one of those, you know, evergreen numbers which stays with you forever and ever and ever. Let's have a couple of lines of the same song.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
This is for all those wonderful girls who used to dance and sing this song.
Of course. I think
a
lot of guys also
guys also loved it. But the girls, I remember, they used to become Kajol.
I know what you're saying.
Know. So this is Avara Bhavri for you guys. आवारा भवरे जो हौले हौले गाए फूलों के तन पे हवाएं सरसराए कोयल की कुहू कुहू पपीहे की पीहू पीहू जंगल में झींग की छाए छाए नदियाँ में लहरें आए बल खाए छलकी जाए भीगे होठों से वो गुनगुनाए.
You know, I somehow feel that this is your song. It depicted who you are. You know, I cannot imagine Kajol. You know, of course, it was picturized on her. But every time I hear the song, I can only and only imagine you and your wonderful smile and the way you move around.
You know, Gunjan, if we're allowed to do that, can I hug this guy? He's amazing. So sweet.
No, but I swear to God, this is what I mean. It was Sapne, if I'm not wrong, was Kajol and Prabhudeva. But after that, everybody got to know who Hema Sardesai is. And Hema Sardesai got an opportunity to sing the song at various occasions.
Yes.
I was just looking at you right away. There's a child in you which like jumps around when you sing this song, isn't it? So it feels that this is your song.
Yes.
But I want to ask you, then you went on to sing a lot of other songs, right? Then was it a pressure, or then you just started to enjoy the journey?
I was no pressure.
Yeah.
I've always been reprimanded for being an overcontent human being.
Yeah.
I used to tell God, I remember, I always talked to God.
Yeah.
Always, yeah. You know, I always said, you know what, one more song this year, okay, hit. I used to get like, okay, 5, 6 or 10. You know, but that one song, I'm happy, thanks a lot.
Yeah.
It was like that. There were the times when I used to sit and say, hey, I have not sung for the last 1 month. What happened? You know, that person who wants to entertain. It was not because I wanted to get.
Yeah.
It was to give.
Yeah.
It's not the goodness. That all doesn't matter.
Yeah.
What matters is why were you given the voice?
Yeah.
Why are you that person who's happy on stage?
You just want to go there and perform.
Because that is the way you can relate your happiness, your love. Love is the word. To the people. If he has been so kind to give it to me, then how do I give so much of it away? So that was always there.
Amazing, amazing. At this point of time, we're going to take a short break. And on the other side of the break, हम हेमा जी के बारे में और बहुत कुछ जानेंगे, तो कहीं मत जाइएगा. हम हाजिर होते हैं छोटे से ब्रेक के बाद.
दमादम मस्त कलंदर, अली दम दम दे अंदर, दमादम मस्त कलंदर, हो लाल मेरी, हो लाल मेरी है.
It was difficult to get work because unfortunately, other than the good people that are there in the industry, I was somehow facing the wolves, you know, where you are looked as a sex object.
झूले मोरा सैया लू मैं बनैया अमरैया
रिश्ता तू जाने जा मोहब्बत चढ़ रही है परवान दिल की है तू धड़कन तू ही मेरी तू हमदम
Welcome back to New This Week on Hotsloud.com, the sound of independence. और मेरे साथ है the ever smiling, the beautiful Hema Sardesai.
Oh, you're so sweet.
Acha, you sang with the best of the people in the industry.
Yes.
You sang with the best of the actors at that point of time.
I sang with Shah Rukh ji.
You sang with Shah Rukh, you sang with Mr. Bachchan, you sang with Naseeruddin Shah.
Yes.
And you also sang with Govinda.
Yes.
What was that?
I don't remember the song, but the song was for a movie where Govinda ji was going to be with Raveena ji.
Okay.
And so I tried. I always ask not what the movie is, which movie I'm singing doesn't mean anything to me, but I ask which is the heroine that I'm singing for, which is the heroine. So I try to, if I know her well, I've seen her movies, I try to imitate her voice.
Yeah.
And I think that is the nicest thing that has come out from the playback music that I've done, where people have said that, you know, her voice, it sounds like she's singing when you're singing.
Wow.
Or she, you know, when Karishma ji sang Changale Adi Radhe, or Kajol sang Avara Bhabre, or Sushmita ji sang Ishq Chandi Hai, Ishq Sona Hai. And it looks like they're singing. So that is important for a playback singer.
Right. Well, on this show, you'll have to be just yourself, because you're not, you know, giving any playback music, or you're not singing for anybody else.
आप कुछ भी छुपा सकते हो, लेकिन आपकी आँखों से जो स्माइल आती है, मुस्कुराहट, उसे नहीं छुपा सकते.
क्या बात है?
है कि नहीं? है कि नहीं? सही बात है.
बिल्कुल सही कहा आपने.
Okay, so फिर.
तो फिर ये जो गाना है, एक जो परफॉर्मेंस है, वो कौन सा होगा?
I am going to be releasing one of the songs that I sing normally on stage.
Yeah.
Damadam Mast Kalandar.
Wow.
When I sing that, I try to bring a lot of harmony between all the people who are there.
Yeah.
And I just try to give it that extra love that it requires. And if I have done that in the song, and if it reaches out at that moment to the audience, I can see that love back.
Wow. Wow. So it's time to share your music and share your love for all the music lovers across the globe.
Totally.
Here's coming Damadam Mast Kalandar from the $1 Million Smile girl, Hema Sardesai.
रखियो भला झूले लालन हो लाल मेरी पत रखियो भला झूले लालन हो लाल मेरी पत हो लाल मेरी पत रखियो भला झूले लालन जिंदड़ी दा सेवन दा सखी शहबाज कलंदर दमादम मस्त कलंदर अली दम दम दे अंदर दमादम मस्त कलंदर हो लाल मेरी हो लाल मेरी है हम तो तुम्हारे दीवाने हैं भले हमारे प्राण हरो झूले लालन हो भले हमारे प्राण हरो झूले लालन सिंदड़ी दा सेवन दा सखी शहबाज कलंदर दमादम मस्त कलंदर अली दम दम दे अंदर दमादम मस्त
Wow. What a soulful song. And I think what you've done to it is truly yours, which is truly your signature style. But मैं एक चीज़ जानना चाहता हूँ. मुझे ये पता लगा है कि लता जी एक ऐसी फीमेल आर्टिस्ट हैं और उनके सिवाय सिर्फ आप हैं जिन्हें दिल्ली में इंडिया गेट पे गाने का मौका मिला 15 अगस्त को, if I'm not wrong.
It was me who sang there. A.R. Rahman ji also sang on the same stage. But Lata ji was also part of the celebrations
Wow.
for the 60th
Wow.
year of independence. of
Right,
India.
right. और जब इतना बेहतरीन एक्सपीरियंस था आपका, और वैसे भी आप जैसे कहती हैं कि मैं देश के बड़े क्लोज हूँ, तो ये जो पेट्रियोटिज्म है, ये बचपन से था, किसी ने सिखाया, कुछ एक्सपीरियंस था?
मेरे दादाजी फ्रीडम फाइटर थे गोवा में, और उसके बाद उनके गांधीयन प्रिंसिपल्स जो थे उनसे हम पले बड़े. राइट फ्रॉम चाइल्डहुड बहुत प्यार है मेरी हिंदुस्तान से, जैसे मैंने कहा, और जान भी दे दूंगी.
क्या बात है.
एंड ऑल द गर्ल्स ऑफ माई कंट्री दे आर माइन.
क्या बात.
सभी मेरे हैं. पीपल probably say how can you be a mother all the time.
Yeah.
But I think I was born for that.
Really?
Yes. I was born to be the mother of all those girls who they so mercilessly don't allow to come in this world. It's really painful for me. And if I can do anything for them whatsoever, whatever I can do, I have been doing, and I will do anything on earth to save them,
Which is
to give them the right to come into this world.
and you're a part of the Save the Girl Child campaign.
Completely.
Yeah.
I have 2 songs with artistallowed.com.
Yeah.
Which is to praise women empowerment, to say how beautiful women are.
Yeah.
And I'd like to sing a couple of
Of
lines.
course, it's your show.
Normally, it's everybody who tells somebody to sing, but this is something that I would sing for those women out there who never got recognized for their talent and for what they are.
Please, all yours.
Yeah. Just a few lines. It goes, she is a winner, she is a giver, she is the wonderful one. Time that we give her a pat on the shoulder for all the good that she's done. That's for all of the beautiful women of my country.
At this point of time, we're going to take a short break. And on the other side of the break, हम हेमा जी के बारे में और बहुत कुछ जानेंगे, तो कहीं मत जाइएगा. हम हाजिर होते हैं छोटे से ब्रेक के बाद.
It was difficult to get work because unfortunately, other than the good people that are there in the industry, I was somehow facing the wolves, you know, where you are looked as a sex object.
Artist Alive voice. Music in your heart, music in your soul. Hear it all together now on your phone. It's your music station, and it's on your phone. Artist Alive voice. Artist Alive voice. Music in your heart, music in your soul. Sangeet jo hai dil mein. Artist Alive voice.
Welcome back to New This Week, and I have with me, oh my goodness, the ever charming Hema Sardesai.
Same goes to you.
So you were talking about the struggle. So what struggle would you refer to?
My struggle was when I came back from Germany. It was not difficult for compliments to come in, but it was difficult to get work because unfortunately, other than the good people that are there in the industry, I was somehow facing the wolves, you know, where you are looked at as a girl first, as a woman first, as a sex object, rather than your talent, you know. So I did face that pain and my walkouts and walkouts and walkouts.
So that is the kind of struggle you had to go through.
So the wait to get that decent person would give me the break. Ultimately, the most decent guy did it. A.R. Rahman.
Wow. Wow. तो ये जो सूफी का जो आपने एल्बम निकाला, जो इतना सुपर हिट था, सूफी जन्नत. So how is that you were inclined towards Sufi music as a genre?
सूफी वो होता है, बोलते हैं कि सूफी, when you sing Sufi, you're one with God. तो obviously, जैसे आप ही ने कहा कि बचपन से अगर आपको ये प्यार है उस खुदा से, तो खुदा के लिए गाने के लिए जो एक खुशी होती है, जो अपनी खून से आती है, as you can say, अपनी रूह से आती है, वो सूफी गाते हो वक्त.
वो हमने देखा आपको कि आप बिल्कुल खो जाती हैं अपने आप में. So what's your future plan?
That I will.
What's your future plan as of now?
Future plan is I took a break, I must say, after Chak De India. My Badal Pe Paun hai. I had happily had a lot of girls coming to me and saying, you're an inspiration through the song, ma'am. So I'm glad about that. But then I did take a break, I will say that. because I was doing a lot of Save Goa, Save the Girl Child, Women Empowerment, International Women's Conferences where I was singing for the betterment of women. Today, I feel that I was not successful in really bringing people that much together. The day I feel I'm on that path again, I will do that again.
Wow. So maybe you could sing a song for the almighty Maula Ali?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah?
I'd love to.
Yeah?
I've sung it with all my heart.
Yeah.
Because I don't see any difference in the God that I love with their names.
And what is this song all about?
This is about a person who's surrendering completely to the Lord. So don't let me down.
Wow.
You know.
Here's coming Maula Ali from Hema Sardesai. Let's surrender to her music now. बहुत खूब. मेरे पास शब्द नहीं है इस चीज़ को डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए कि आपने जिस तरह का एक खूबसूरत माहौल यहाँ पर क्रिएट कर दिया है. उस कुदरत ने आपको बहुत
आपने कंट्रीब्यूट भी किया है. आप इस माहौल के में चार चांद लगा रहे हैं. बहुत
बहुत शुक्रिया. और उस ऊपर वाले ने आपको बहुत कुछ बख्शा भी है. और एक जो बहुत बेहतरीन जो आपको एक खिताब से भी उन्होंने नवाजा वो ये था कि artistallowed.com पे you're the best selling artist 2010.
Thank you.
वाओ. सबसे पसंदीदा गाना आपका कौन सा है? आपका अपना गाया हुआ?
जब मैंने बादल पे पाँव गाया तो जब सारी लड़कियां आके मुझे बोलने लगी कि you're an inspiration to us through the song, वो सबसे बढ़िया था.
वो सबसे अच्छा कॉम्प्लीमेंट बिकॉज़ यू वर आल्सो
उससे कुछ हुआ. कुछ अच्छा हुआ उससे कि girls started feeling okay, confident and great in life. Okay, we can make it. That is beautiful.
So let's have a couple of lines of the same. Yeah.
Okay, I love the guys, I love the girls of my country, but this one is for the sweet babies. Okay, who need to make it and show that they have the medal.
Here we go.
सोचा कहाँ था ये जो हो गया, माना कहाँ था ये लो हो गया, चुटकी कोई काटो ना है हम तो होश में, कदमों को थामो ये है उड़ते जोश में, बादल पे पाँव है या छूटा गाँव है, अब तो भाई चल पड़ी बेबीज की नाव है.
आपकी जो नाव जो है वो चल पड़ी है और बहुत ही अच्छे पथ पर चल पड़ी है because your destiny has been written very you know specifically by a very special ink.
And I would like to say you're a very special part of it today.
I am honored. Thank you for being on the show, man. Thank you. Such a pleasure. Thank you. Well, this was the bubbly, this was the ever-smiling, very charming, the very talented, the very humble Hema Sardesai. I'm going to catch up with you next Monday on the show, New This Week, with another artist. Till then, bye-bye, take care.
I'm born for this. Performing and people are like, "Ooh, where did you come from?"
Yeah.
And I was like, "My bedroom."
She got a style like a sweet hailberry. She got me high like a vodka cranberry.
I was just a kid listening to a lot of Michael Jackson songs.
Yeah.
And I wanted to be like him. You know?
But you're the top and said no.
And I told myself,
Yeah.
just the fact I toot the horn at him, I feel so good tonight.
And I know it's worthwhile.
Catch me this Monday at 4 p.m. on artistallowed.com, where it's music first. My name is Sheila, Sheila Kijawali. I'm too sexy for you.